How to delete your Suno AI account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently close your account and remove all your data and memory. First, open the Suno AI app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. At this point, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. From here, you'll see an option to close your account and delete your songs and data. Tap the link there to proceed. Following this, a confirmation page will appear. Tap the Click Here button to move forward with the deletion. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your decision by typing confirm_delete, exactly as shown, into the field provided. From here, once you've typed it in, tap Delete to finalize, and your account, along with all your songs and data, will be permanently removed. Finally, keep in mind that this action is irreversible. Once deleted, there's no way to recover your account, songs, or any content you've created on the platform. So make sure you've saved anything you want to keep before going through with it. That's how you delete your Suno AI account. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.